Hey everyone, today we are going to do the 7th chakra and yoga poses that you can use in your class with the 7th chakra, Sahasrara. Okay, let's get into it. Hi, I'm Angelica. I've been doing yoga for 30 years. I've been teaching yoga for 15 years. I've worked with thousands of people to build their yoga business and help them become yoga teachers and reach out. I've helped a bunch of people open their own yoga studios, found their own nonprofits and organizations, and I've helped many people individually as yoga teachers create the dream life that they want. All right, yay. Okay, 7th chakra, we've made it. Sahasrara. It is the crown chakra, right? This is where the diamonds, if you do the white light meditation, this is where it all comes out and comes all over your body, and the diamonds and the prisms. But what's crazy about this chakra is the purpose of this chakra is understanding. So it's not just about religion. I mean, it's about religion, connection, knowing, knowledge, self-knowledge. But the true purpose of this chakra is understanding. So it's our ability to understand the world and to understand religion and to understand connection in others. And sadly, like, most people will never get to the development of this chakra. Many people that come to your class are living under a veil of what we've been told is reality. But there's a much deeper reality happening. It's almost like, remember that movie, The Matrix? Like I don't mean to be weird, but it's almost like that. Like, it's like we live under this veil that we've been told is the truth from the time we were very young. And as we grow up and, we realize that it's just this kind of covering that's been told to us. Like, if you read that book, The Four Agreements, Miguel Ruiz talks about in the book about how each of us have a belief system that's put together based around what we've been taught, like what we grew up with. So like what my parents told me, like my parents told me things that later on as adults, like I realized was like, that's not true. Like they were like, credit cards are evil. Well, no, the way you manage credit cards is evil. Like, I don't carry a balance. I have a lot of credit cards, like, and I have really great credit. My parents didn't, like, but that was a truth for them. And so that's how their life was. But that wasn't really a truth. That's just their truth. And like, I started to realize that everything's like that, right? So as we delve into the 7th chakra, Sahasrara, it's like we start to realize that everything's like that. Spirituality is like that, like my family grew up like part Catholic, part Lutheran, and part completely atheist, I guess, really. But like, who's right? Are the Baptists right? Like I traveled to other countries and I went to Morocco and to Kenya and to India and to Turkey, and when I was in Turkey, it's like, I'm in Istanbul and they have the Hagia Sophia where it's like, it was Christian and then it was Muslim and then it was Christian and then it was Muslim, and they just like painted over all the stuff every time they switched out, like Istanbul and Constantinople. Now it's Istanbul and Constantinople. Like, that's how everything is, and when you realize that, you're like, everything I thought was real is not real. And it doesn't, like, nothing is real, and I think that's the essence of the crown chakra. So you can take this one of two ways. Again, like the Ajna chakra, you can do it on a meditative level, but you know how I like to do it? I like to do it with inversions. I like to teach a hardcore inversions class because it's like this self-realization. I teach like 6 different ways to do a handstand, or multiple different ways to do a headstand. I teach it with partner, without partner. I break it down. I teach variations of the headstand. I teach people arm balances, like these like really advanced postures. And most people, you're going to be able to get them into at least 1 or 2 of these poses. A lot of people even more, But even that, like, just getting further for a lot of these people is going to be such an incredible, huge release. And if you've taught like a 7-week chakra journey, like what I give people in my academy as a bonus gift, because the academy is like structured where it's like we have 2 days of live coaching, and then there's also this recorded vault that you can go into that has some of my best practices, and this is one of them, is the chakra journey. So if you've like brought these people from Chakra and now you're all the way to Chakra 7, and you're a good yoga teacher, you're gifted at it, and you've had a lot of experience, like you could teach inversions and just bring people to this new, like people that never thought they would handstand, but they handstand with an assist, or they get like one leg up and they're like, oh my God, I didn't really think I could do that. But it's proper alignment. You know, it's bone stacking and it's proper alignment. So if you're a good teacher, you know that it's bone stacking, it's proper alignment. It has nothing to do with muscle strength. It really just has to do with, are you engaging your toes? Because a lot of people do inversions and their legs are like, blah, 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 like everywhere. And you're like, oh no, girl, I got to talk you out of that. So it's all about like bringing people into complete body awareness. And what a perfect class to teach for the 7th chakra, right? Because it's like the completion of this whole ladder from 1 to 7. So now we're putting it all together, and we can do these like really tough postures. So that's what I like to teach for the 7th chakra. And I'm so excited that we did this. Like, this has been my favorite YouTubes yet. Like, I love the chakras. I love sharing about the chakras. I love helping people know about the chakras because I think that they're our gateway to connection with our own bodies, and like connecting with ourselves and connecting with the outside world. And I think they're just really beautiful, and I'm glad that you came along with me. Thank you so much. I hope that you're subscribed. If you're not, hit the subscribe button. Questions, hit me up. I love DMs. I love talking to all of you. What you tell me helps me to decide what to shoot. So let me know what you want to see, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next video. So have a wonderful day. Mwah! 7th chakra, kora, meditate, Sahasrara, la 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 la. Bye.